Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox both Storm RTL smartwatch. On this box it is given that 3.3 centimeter 2.5D full touch display, blood oxygen monitor, 24/7 heart rate monitor, metal body casing, and in backside sleep monitor, 5 ATM, water resistance, music control, call and text notification with vibration alert, and many more. And main thing is the capability of this watch is with Android 4.4 version and above, and iOS 8.0 version and above. This package contains both watch, user manual, USB magnetic charging cable, warranty card. The MRP is 5,990, and on either side they have given both. Let's see. So we are going to open this, unbox it, and see how to pair it with our phone and use it. You can see the watch, guys. There is a sticker given to protect the screen, and the strap is of very good quality, and this my strap color is blue. And let us see what's there inside. There is a charging cable, user manual, there is a brochure of their other products, and a warranty card and a sticker. Okay guys, now we will see how to connect your watch with your mobile. So this watch should be charged before connecting it. So I've already charged my device with this magnetic charging. So now let us see how to connect it with our phone. Okay guys, you can install the app through two ways: by scanning the QR code which is present in the user manual, or by going to the Play Store and downloading it. The name of the app is ProGear. So I'm writing boat ProGear. So I have already downloaded it. So let us see now. I'll agree to all this. Agree. So turn on Bluetooth to allow both ProGear to connect to the device. So confirm, allow. Okay guys, now we will see how to connect it. To switch on the watch, first you have to press this button which is given over here. So it gets turned on. Now we'll check the availability of this watch here. Yeah, I can see the Storm watch name over here. So I'll press it. You'll get a beep sound over here. Confirm in device. Yeah, I can feel the vibration over here. So they have asked for the male or female. So a male. Next, and birth date. So 2008. Feet or inch, don't know, so I'm going back. Weight, don't know. And I have to set up my goal for the steps. So I'll set it for almost 5,000 steps and 8 hours as it is. So it is asking allow board ProGear to access photos and video of your device. Allow. Okay guys, now we can see. So I'll go to user. We have to log in. Okay guys, I have already set up my profile. Let's see what is all there over here. I'll go to device. You can turn on call alert, and you can on your alarm alert. I don't have any alarm, so it is not showing. And SNS alert, so you have to activate both pro gear. Hello, done. Now dial settings, you can change your background in the watch by setting over here. So you can add your own images also. I'll add now one, select a new wallpaper album. Now I'm adding Dhoni's picture over here. It got synced now. Let me check in my watch. Yes, now you can see the image of Dhoni in the watch, and you can keep your own image also, and you will get your any note update of your watch over here. So you can update your watch here, and steps will be counted here, and sleep here, and heart rate will be counted over here. If you want any more graph or like thing, it will be counted here. And this is activities, sleep graph, and heart rate. Okay guys, this is all about boat watch. I think you enjoyed this video. So I have one more similar watch with me. I'm using it from past 1 month. So I'm very happy with this product. I think you also enjoyed it. Thank you.